Hey, what's up you guys? So I'm going to show you how to make money online even if you're a complete beginner and even if you're broke. Guys, I get this question all the time. How do I start making money online if I have no money to invest? I have no money to put into tools, into courses, into mentors. How do I start making money online? Well, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how you can start making money online. Now guys, I've been making money online since May of 2019. Since then, I've been able to generate a multiple six-figure income with my online business. More importantly, guys, I've been able to help hundreds of students start their online businesses, get their first commissions, and get started making money online. Now, guys, by the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your first money online 100% free. I'm going to show you how to make money online with not even having a website. And I'm going to show you the simple steps that's going to take you from beginner to expert on how to make money online. Now, guys, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. But the main goal of my channel is to help you build a passive income business so you can achieve financial freedom. Guys, I've been able to go from an electrical engineer, hating my 9-to-5 job, to now going full-time, full in on my online business. So guys, if you want to learn more, please subscribe to my channel. Let's get into the video. Now guys, the first step with this process is we have to find a network and a product. Okay, I'm going to walk you through the steps that you need to do for this exact method. Now, there's a few networks that you can find. The first one is ClickBank. This is probably one of the easiest places that you can find products. Now, if you guys don't know what ClickBank is, it's basically a network of digital products. So you can go here, find products. You know, you can find products in gaming, in home and garden. You can find stocks, like any type of product that you can think of, and you can start promoting it. Now, once you find these products, you can start promoting it, and that's how you start making money online. So there's one network here. Another one that I like is JVZoo. This is pretty much the same thing as ClickBank. It's just another network that you can start making money in. Now, I'm going to recommend ClickBank if you're just starting out, just because it's the easiest to get started with. Make sure you sign up for an account right here, guys. Once you sign up, you fill out your information, you let them know where you want them to send your checks, and they'll pay you out with either check or a bank transfer. So guys, make sure you fill out your account first, create your free account, then you can start promoting products. Now, once you're logged in, it's going to take you to a page like this. Now, what you want to do is go to the ClickBank Marketplace. All right, just like this. Once you're in the ClickBank Marketplace, you can see there's a ton of categories of products you can promote. As you can see here, guys, you can see computers and internet. You can see cooking, food and wine, e-business and e-marketing. Literally any product that you can think of is on ClickBank. Now, for example, this is how you start making money. Okay, so if I click on, let's just say, e-business and e-marketing, it's going to take you to a page like this where, let's just say you want to promote this product here where it says turn text into speech. If someone were to buy this product, you would make $29, okay? And you can see here, there's different products, different offers. This product, you would make $19. This product, $200. So it just depends on the product you want to promote and basically what niche you want to be in, right? So if we go back over here, you can see there's fiction, games, health and fitness. Now, for this specific method, I'm going to show you a niche that's going to crush it with this free method I'm going to show you, okay? So if we go to games over here, we can see all the games, all the game products in here, okay? So you can see there's a product on the game FIFA, right? So, if people want to learn how to get really good at FIFA, the game, you can sell them this product here. Now, what's cool is you can make over $100 with this particular product. Now, here's another one here, guys. Digi World of Warcraft, you would make $129, $126 with this product. Now, what's cool is you can actually click on this and see what the product looks like. So if I go over here, guys, you can see that this is the actual product Digi Guides, okay? So basically, it shows you how to play World of Warcraft. And when people sign up, you get paid, right? You get paid a commission. Now, the way it works, right? If I go back and we click on Digi, let me go back over here, Digi of Warcraft Guides, the way you would get your special link, right? If I hit promote here and I hit generate hop link, this is your special link. When people click on this link, you get paid, right? Let me just show you how this works, guys. So once we find the network and product, then you get your special link, okay? And this is basically how it works, okay? You would basically send people, targeted people, to this product, right? So this is a product on World of Warcraft. I mean, this is an older game that people used to play back in my day. I mean, they're still playing it, obviously, but basically people that play this game are very, very passionate, right? So if we can find targeted people to buy this product, they're gonna buy, right? If they're already interested in that product. But basically, guys, if we send targeted people to this product here and they buy, then you get a commission. What's cool about this is called affiliate marketing, right? You don't own this product. You don't have to fulfill it. You don't have to create the product. You don't have to deal with the refunds, the support. All you do is get paid when somebody buys, right? So in this particular case, you get a commission and the owner would get a commission here, okay? And basically, that's how you would make money with this method, right? This is called affiliate marketing. This is how I've been able to generate a multiple six-figure income with only 20 plus income streams, guys. Literally the best business model in the world, okay? Because you don't have to worry about creating this product. You don't have to worry about creating these pages or creating these videos or these graphics, like anything like that, right? You don't have to create the actual product itself. It's literally the best business model on the planet, guys. Now, I'm gonna show you how to get traffic to this place here, okay? And this is, again, I'm gonna show you a completely free method on how to do this, but I just wanna show you one last thing here, okay? Now, obviously you wanna get your link, right? If you hit promote, this is gonna be your special link. When someone clicks on this link, you get paid, okay? Now, one thing I forgot to mention is this affiliate page here. So what this page is, it's basically a resource section. So the owner of this product wants you to sell the product. They want you to make money, right? Because if you make money, then they make money, right? They're the owner of the product. So they're going to give you all the resources you need to sell this product, okay? So if I go over here, this is the resource guide here, okay? And you can see here, they give you videos, they give you links, like to get, different type of links to sell the product. Let me just zoom up here a little bit, guys. They have targeted keywords, like if you're running ads. I can do another video on that. This is obviously, you would need money for this method here. But you can see here, like if people were to type in, best WoW gold on Google, you can target them for an ad, okay? So really, really powerful you can do here, guys. And they give you a ton of tools, a ton of things that you can use to sell their products, okay? Now, I'm gonna show you a special method, absolutely free, guys, because I know a lot of people wanna make money, but they don't have money to get started. So guys, I'm gonna show you an absolutely free method and kind of a viral thing that's going on right now, okay? So if I go to facebook.com, okay, guys? If I go to Facebook, I'm going to show you a killer method that's working insanely well in my business and how you can get started 100% free, okay? So guys, there's something called Facebook groups, okay? So let me just show you where this is at, okay? If you go to Facebook here and just type in something like World of Warcraft, because that's what the product is, right? So World of Warcraft, you can see there's a ton of different groups here, okay? Now, what you want to do is go to filters here and go to groups, okay? Now, if I click this here, you can see all the groups here. Now, there's a few things you can do here, guys. You can actually go to these groups here and basically provide content inside these groups, right? You can go and provide content, free guides, free tips on how to, play World of Warcraft. Now, what you don't want to do is go inside these groups and start spamming your affiliate link. One, you're going to get kicked out, and two, no one's going to click on your links. It's not going to work, okay? Trust me, I've done this before when I first started this game back in the day. But anyways, but what I would do in this case, all right, again, this is going to be building out a long-term sustainable business, is you want to actually build one of these groups yourself, okay? Because what happens is Facebook is literally going to send you free people that are interested in World of Warcraft, okay? And I'm going to show you how this works, okay? This is really important, guys. Now, what you want to do is create your own group, right? You can join these groups, right? Which I'm going to show you how to do in just a little bit. But what you want to do, more importantly, is make your own group here, okay? So if you go to this plus right here, you're going to go to plus, and then you're going to go to group, okay? Now, you want to create your own group here. The first thing you want to do is make sure you have a good banner here. So just look at the other groups and see what they're using for their banner. Now, what's really important here, guys, is you want to name the group. Let me go back over here. You want to name the group something that has the keyword World of Warcraft, right? So World of Warcraft. Okay, and this is also WoW, right? That's another keyword for it. Tips for beginners, right? Something like that. Tips for beginners. So whatever you want to make the groups about, okay? Now, what's really important, guys, is you want to have this keyword World of Warcraft throughout everything, throughout the group name, throughout the actual, so let me just go to public here. If I go to create, it's going to create a free group for me. So let me just show you guys how this works. This is really important, okay? So what's really important here, guys, is not only you want to name the group World of Warcraft, you also want to name the actual description, okay? So if we go to settings here, once you create the group, the name and description, okay? If you can see here, this is the name and description. Now what you want to do is click on this pencil here and write out a long, detailed description of, you know, what the group's about, right? So the goal here is to have that description, that keyword World of Warcraft within the description multiple times. I'm going to show you why this is so important, because Facebook wants your groups to grow, right? They want to send people your way to your Facebook groups, right? Now, the way you make money is once they're inside your group, then you just provide free content for them, right? You just provide free tips and tricks on how they can play World of Warcraft. Now, this is how you actually make money, right? So inside your groups, you can promote anything you want. It's your group, right? But what I like to do is have like a pinned post. So like basically when people go inside my group here, this is one of my groups here, the first post they see, there I can have a bunch of links inside of these posts, right? On like World of Warcraft, you know, tips and tricks, stuff like that, right? So this is really important, guys. Once they're inside your group, you can do whatever you want, right? Now, what I recommend is providing free value for them. What I would do is go to like a google.com and then type in like World of Warcraft, how to start as a beginner, and look at these articles here, right? So you can go, let's just say we go to this newbie guide right here, and we can maybe pick an article, right? Let's just find an article here. Here's one here, World of Warcraft Beginner's Guide. So what we can do here, guys, is like copy this here and then put that in your Facebook group, right? We can go in here and people are going to see this. Now, I wouldn't just copy this. I would, you know, take this and change it up a little bit and make sure it's your content, but I would get ideas from other articles, right? Now, when people start engaging, you get people to comment, like, then you could start sending them to your ClickBank links, right? So if again, we have our special link, we can go ahead and do that in there, okay? So if I go over here back to ClickBank, right? I can grab this link here. Okay, I can grab this link of this product, World of Warcraft, and I could go ahead and put it in my post, right? Because, you know, let's just say we give them free content on how to get started. We can say here, you know, something like click here to get my full guide, right? Something like that. And then we could add our link here, okay? This would be your link. You could actually put your link inside of here, okay? Now, the goal here, guys, is to, you know, create free content, right? Free content within your group. And then, this is the most powerful thing, okay? Facebook starts suggesting your groups to other people, right? So if I go to my suggested feed, you can see I get suggested a lot of things with Facebook ads or ClickFunnels or high ticket affiliate marketing, because that's a lot of groups that I'm in, right? So you can see, because I'm in this group, I get, you know, targeted for this group, right? So that's the thing, right? You want to make sure Facebook knows that your group is about World of Warcraft, and that's all about putting your keyword within this description, right? Very, very detailed, right? So for example, if I go to my description here, if I go to, let me see, settings, you can see my description has the keyword affiliate marketing again, business, it's got the keyword business, affiliate marketers again. So you can see there's a reason why I do that, right? So this is the best Facebook group on how to learn ClickFunnels, affiliate marketing. So Facebook knows that my group's about affiliate marketing, so they're going to send people my way. And I'm just going to show you something crazy, guys. Let me just show you the growth of my Facebook group here. You can see in the last 28 days or the last 60 days, my group is just exponentially growing, right? You can see it's just growing like crazy because Facebook is sending people to my Facebook group, okay? Now, this is one of many groups that I own. I think, maybe like 5 to 10 groups at this point, some of which I help manage. I don't 100% own them, but I'm saying Facebook groups are very, very powerful and 100% free, guys. If you guys take this method, I promise you will make money online. Like, no doubt. if you put this method into use and you start creating people inside, or you start getting people inside of here, and you create that brand, right? You create that, you create free tips and tricks for these people, and then that they're gonna, you know, trust you. You're gonna build that brand. You can sell them anything you want. So anyways, guys, that's how this works. This is an amazing method. Trust me, I do this in my business, and it creates a multiple six-figure affiliate business. You know, I love Facebook groups, guys. One of my favorite methods. Not only YouTube, TikTok, this is just a great method that you can get started and start building an audience. So anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value. If you want to learn a complete step-by-step on how to get started with affiliate marketing, I have a $7 challenge that you can get started with. Link down below, guys. It's only $7. I'm going to show you exactly how to get started step-by-step with my 3-day challenge. Okay, guys? Anyways, we'll see you guys in the next video, and God bless.